In this video, I will show you how to verify your account on JetPrint. The first step is to create your JetPrint account if you haven't already. Once that's done, JetPrint will automatically send you a verification email. Now, open the inbox of the email address you used to sign up. Once you find the email from JetPrint, scroll down until you see the Activate Now button and click on it. That will bring you to a confirmation page. Just click Proceed to finalize the process. From here, you will see a message letting you know that your account is officially verified. This means your email is confirmed, your account is secured, and you are now ready to use all of JetPrint's features without any restrictions. And that's how to verify your account on JetPrint.